Hi, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Dora.
And we're Mr. and Mrs. K.
We're a couple from New York that started this channel in 2021 to share our travel, food, and experiences.
Follow us as we find new, interesting, and exciting things along the way. Boop, boop. Welcome back, friends. Today, we're still in Dallas. Dora actually has an event to go to, so I figured I'd take this opportunity to check out American Airlines Center. The Mavs actually happen to be playing, and they're playing the Phoenix Suns, so that's going to be exciting. It'd be cool to see KD and Booker. Don't know if Luka's playing today, which is kind of a bummer because I really wanted to see Luka. But anyway, I mean, right off the bat, this place, the PNC Park, is pretty crazy. It looks pretty awesome. I mean, there's a few restaurants, and there's a statue of Nowitzki. That's pretty cool, right? We're like an hour away from tip-off, and it doesn't look like there's many people here right now. And maybe as we get closer, there'll be more. We'll see. I think I'm just gonna head in now. I decided to walk around the area before going in just to see what was around. I did notice that besides the PNC Park, there were a few other restaurants and bars in the area, but the bulk of the entertainment and restaurants could be found around the South Entrance and PNC Park. So I'm walking around the American Airlines Center. And it looks like there's a few entrances. Where PNC Park was, that's the south entrance. This is the north entrance. And it doesn't look like there's that many people online. It looks like getting in is fairly simple. But this one only allows, I think, like wristlets and wallets and clutches. I have a bag, so I won't be able to go through here. As I'm walking around, you can actually see like inside of the arena and like all the different stalls. I guess this is another entrance. I'll still go from like the PNC Park. All right, so I just got in. It seems a little smaller here, but it's pretty cool because like right in front of you is like the arena. Let me take a quick look. All right, so let me just walk around this concourse first. It definitely seems a little smaller, like more cozy, I guess. And clearly American Airlines is like the sponsor. I'm not sure if my description of smaller fits exactly, but this concourse definitely felt different compared to all the other concourses I've been to. The design also felt very corporate or hotel-y. It's not a bad thing, just something that threw me off and just different. When it comes to food options, there are quite a lot to choose from, and they all looked good. I ordered a hot dog, which I kind of regret. It wasn't bad by any means, I just thought I probably should have gone with something a little more unique, like barbecue or Mexican or something. That was my bad. I did notice that they really highlight their sponsors. There were some corners solely dedicated to Michelob Ultra and Modelo. In addition, these sponsors also have bars and clubs around, which I believe there aren't any requirements to enter except for maybe an age requirement. All right, so this is pretty cool. They gave a first Mavs game patch. They gave me two, so that's pretty awesome. I like when stadiums do these kind of things for like first timers. It's a nice little touch. All right, so I finished walking around the first level, and it seems like there was a good amount of things to eat. Not as much as I expected, but still a good selection. I may get like the taco or the barbecue or something. But now I'm heading up to, I guess, the 300 level to my seat to see, just check out the arena and stuff. It seems like there's a lot of stores, like the team shops, like everywhere. Like right when I get off the escalator, there's a team shop. As I got up to the 300 level, the food options were more or less the same as the 100 level, with just slight differences. I did like that there were some areas where it was kind of open, where you could just watch the game from. I think arenas should have more areas like this. The view from my seat was surprisingly good. Busy sat in the last row, but still able to see clearly. Alright, so they gave like this Kyrie Irving poster. Not sure what I'm gonna do with it, but it's a good souvenir, I guess, right? Right off the bat, this stadium looks really big. It's like bright. I guess compared to like Barclays and MSG, it seems a lot more bright. And it looks a lot bigger too. And if I had to compare it to like the Capital One Arena, it's definitely bigger. Maybe it's just because like the ceiling is like arched, so that like it feels like it's bigger. I realized that they didn't have like a history or like tribute to the Mavericks or even like the Dallas Stars, which I'm kind of surprised because the Mavericks have a pretty substantial history. I mean, as you know, from like the 2000s and stuff. So I'm surprised they don't have like some sort of like Hall of Fame or like something that attributes to like the past players. Even like the Dirk Nowitzki statue, that's pretty awesome. I mean, outside that's pretty awesome. And I think that's a great way to honor him. But yeah, like still nothing like regarding like the team, the history and stuff like that, which is a little disappointing. Damn, I'm not a like hockey fan, but that's pretty impressive. The Dallas Stars, they've been pretty dominant for the past like almost like decade. I don't really know anyone on the Dallas Stars, so I feel like even though these are like the cheap seats, the view here is not bad compared to Capital One Arena. This is I'll take this view. So it does look like Luka's playing tonight. That's gonna be pretty good. Dang, so this is what good basketball looks like. At the end of the first, it's been a pretty intense game so far. So we're at the half now, and Luka's doing as expected. He's got 24 points now. Durant's actually not having a great game so far. 6 rebounds is okay, I guess. But Booker has 16 points, 3 assists, 2 rebounds. Overall, still a really good game. So I just noticed there's a disco ball just like randomly in the middle of the arena. They had your normal t-shirt toss, but also had the craziest t-shirt cannon that shot a barrage of shirts all at once, which reached basically the ceiling. All right, so the game just ended. It was not a pretty game for the home team. I don't know what happened. Towards the end, the Mavericks just didn't really show up. And then Devin Booker was really cool because we saw him get like 46 points. Yeah, he like really lit it up towards the end. There was like one stretch, it was like a 10-minute stretch where they didn't like score a point or something. But yeah, either way, I mean, I really like this arena. This American Airlines arena was really nice. Like I mentioned before, like the concourse is really interesting because it's like, it kind of looks like a hotel or like a business office or something. The food selection was okay. You got like a variety of different things. I got the hot dog, and again, it was okay. Nothing too crazy. I kind of regret it. I probably should have gone with like the Tex-Mex or like the barbecue because that looked good actually. There was like nachos and stuff. Otherwise, yeah, this is a great arena. I definitely recommend it. The seats are real comfy, and Mark Cuban definitely invests a lot of money into his facilities. So that ends our video for today. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe. We release videos every week. So see you then.